Hello parents, I am Dr. Mary L. Young, your fairy godmother of education, and I'm here to tell you how to win the battle in your child's school because I have all the secrets. So today is Fix It Friday with the theme, I Know You Didn't, Part 4. Parents, I know you didn't do your child's homework. Let me say, we have actually had parents that have done their child's homework and sent it back to school. Did you know that when you do your child's homework, there are a couple things that happen. One, the teacher knows your child's handwriting, so they know it wasn't your child. And two, you're not affording your child an opportunity to be able to learn the task at hand. So if you do their work at home and they are supposed to do the work and they're assigned to do the work at school and they're not able to do it, the only thing that does is tell the teacher that someone did it at home for them. Because if you can do it at home, then you can do it at school. And so parents, please don't do your child's homework. The last thing I want to see is you writing the spelling words for your first grade child, because we know your child still struggles with their handwriting. And so I know you do know that the handwriting is the handwriting of an adult when you send it back. You do know that, right? So parents, please let your child do their homework. I know you didn't do your child's homework and try to send it in thinking that a teacher wouldn't know. Come on, parents.